So we're going to import this character from Blender into Character Creator 4. Now the character still needs to be rigged. It's not going to do Mixamo's auto rigger. However, if you do need this character auto rigged and you want to use the Mixamo auto rigger, go right ahead because that attaches the Mixamo rig. Herb-a-dub. But if we look at the rig here, we can see that there's a whole bunch of extra bones, and that's because of the person who created this character has added in extra parts to it, such as these shoulder peaches. Now I can manually control them in Blender. So with both the mesh and the rig selected, File, Export, FBX, Stormtrooper, make sure we've got selected objects. Now if you've properly created the materials where it's just the textures applied to the principal shader, we can go into path mode and select copy, and also tick this button. Now let's go export into Character Creator, File, Import, find our character which we just exported, open. Now, this is a character, obviously. Now it's not a CC avatar because it didn't originate from Character Creator. It's a humanoid non-standard. So if we click apply, and we can see that it's auto detected the profile of the rig. Beautiful. I'm just gonna press OK. Let's try that one again. We'll select our Unreal base character, so it's trying to work out what is the profiles. Let's press OK, and we can see that it's coming quite nicely. However, his head is tilted the wrong way. Now, the other problem that we can see is the shoulder pads, which is going to be annoying. But let's go ahead and fix his head up. I'm going to go into Characterization over here on the right-hand side. We will select his head. Let's come in and find, there's our head bone, and I'm just going to make sure he's just going to face the right way. Let's just go into Human IK. We'll just turn that off. Let us rotate that around so he's actually looking forward. Just going to press F to go into front view. We can see he's still on a bit of an angle. Click on active to bring him back out of customization, and then we go. We've got our character. Now, obviously, if you want to apply the textures, we can now come in here and I can start applying textures. So our base color. Let's add in the body diffuse. I think it's this one. There we go. Bump map, which would be our normal. And then we kind of just go through and add in all our materials. Added in our textures. We can come down here and can play around a little bit with the settings, make it a little bit more wider. And there we go. We've now imported a character into Character Creator 4. If we bring up the content manager, let's add an animation to him. And you can see we do have a slight problem with the shoulder pads. But I believe technically we should be able to fix that. So let's go into customization. We'll see if our characterization, into there. And if we can find a bone that controls these. And we can see that it's no longer really clipping anymore. However, this is probably something that would have to animate manually in Iclone. But with obviously your characters, you're not going to have to worry about shoulder pads unless you put them in, which they're a little bit of extra work. But hey, from here we can obviously send the character to Iclone, File, Export, send character to Iclone. Now he's in here. Let's make him leave your seat, buddy. Go for a walk. Boy, he locked his screen.